Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 4 that is based on the topic the city mouse and the country mouse. On page number 98, open your book, go to page number 98. We will do le- about we will learn about suffixes, okay? In language structure, we will learn about suffixes. A suffix is a word part that is added at the end of a base word to change the meaning of a base word. Okay? Look at the suffixes given below. Suffix full means full of. Cheers, full mean full of cheers. Okay? Cheerful means full of cheer. Suffix less. Less mean without. Cloudless, without cloud. The suffix ness mean a state of being, like darkness mean being dark. The suffix li means in this way, like slowly means in a slow manner. Okay, so you will learn four suffixes in this topic: full, less, ness, and li. Activity A is add the suffixes full, li, ness, less to the base words to make the new words. Okay? Care, careful, pain, painful, brave, bravely, sad, sadly, sick, sickness, hope, hopeless, kind, kindness, joy, joyful. Okay, student, this is the activity number A that you have to do on your book. Okay? Now, moving to the next page and continuing the same activity, activity A, here's the word bitter, bitterly, help, helpless, tear, tearful, shame, shameless, quick, quickly, thank, thankful. Okay, student, we have made new words from the base word, okay, by adding suffixes. Write the word that match with the meaning. Without pain, painless. In a neat way, neatly. Full of grace, graceful. In a quick way, quickly. Without fear, fearless. The state of being soft, softness. In a glad way, gladly. Not feeling well, sickness. In a wrong way, wrongly. Full of tears, tearful. Okay, students, we have done exercise A and exercise B on the book. Now, antonyms are given over here. Okay, antonym means opposite word. So, I am going to read it. You have to listen me, and after listening me carefully, you have to learn all these antonyms. Okay, crowd, sorry, coward, brave, open, close, silent, noisy, remember, forget, peace, war, modern, ancient, victory, defeat, interesting, boring, question, answer, harsh, polite, active, lazy or passive, buy, sell, sharp, blunt, relaxed, restless, deep, shallow, seldom, often, suddenly, gradually, success, failure, cheap, dear, hurry, loiter, pull, push, summer, winter, obedient, rude, welcome, goodbye, accept, reject, on, off. Okay, student, these antonyms you have to learn them. So, moving to the next page, that is page number 100. Here is another activities are given over here. So, you have to solve these activities on book. Activity A is rewrite the sentences using antonyms of the words written in bold. Okay, whatever the word written in bold, you have to write it opposite word. Okay, the captain of Iqbal house is very active. The captain of Iqbal house is very lazy. This knife is very sharp. This knife is very blunt. Our friend seldom visit us. Our friend never visit us. They remember their childhood. They forget their childhood. Sadia bought a cheap dress. Sadia bought a dear dress. He feels relaxed in the evening. He feels restless in the evening. This question is difficult. This answer is difficult. Okay, student, after doing it, you have to do exercise B on the book, and it says match the word in column A with their antonyms in column B. Okay, so defeat means victory, suddenly means gradually, rude means obedient, relaxed mean restless, boring mean interesting, success mean failure, harsh mean polite, deep mean shallow, modern mean ancient, war mean peace. Okay, I have written the number wise in the column A and the number wise in column B. You can take help from the number or you can follow the arrows. Okay, this is your exercise and this is your lecture number 4. Hope so you have understood this lecture. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Okay, thank you, students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.